Hi skaters, Kev here. Today I'm going to explain a little bit about our P-Rail, Jazz and I's P-Rail that I made a few months back. We've been hesitant to try it because we both have busted our butts before several times, and we figured out a new way that we can kind of practice with this rail. But I'll explain a little bit how I designed it and built it. I of course didn't do it, I didn't totally do it off my own ideas. I looked at a few things and then came up with my own little thing that I think is kind of a cool design. So I used, in this case, it is PVC. This is PVC and it's 1.5 inches.
Yeah.
As you can see, the thickness of our, you want to get the thicker one so it's not so flexible. So you have some rigidity here and some strength. And this 1.5 inches I found is a pretty good size for the grind blocks as well.
How long is this thing?
This is about 7 feet long.
Okay.
I designed this one, came up with this design where I extended the rail about 6 inches off of the base so you can grab this and carry it. Two people can carry this very easily and move it around. It's pretty cool, and it still fits in the back of like an Explorer, like our Explorer or truck or whatever. So that's pretty cool too. Also, the base is made up of 3, I believe these are 1x4s, and you set them down on the ground and make like a triangle with it, and then you want to fill up the middle with whatever you can come up with that fills up the middle. In this case, it was a 1x1 and a 1/2x1. Stacked them on top of each other and screwed it all down. What you want to do is to set your PVC in this, you want to have a nice little channel there. See how there's like a little channel that naturally it creates when the wood's all screwed together? And literally, without screwing the pipe down, it sits in that channel really nicely. It gives it a good base for a solid.
So it's not like flexing and
not at all.
Yeah, it's real solid.
Yeah. So what you do here is I started off by screwing the base together. I screwed it all together with these screws into the middle here and just basically screwed it all together. On the bottom you can see I screwed it to the supporting pieces of wood in there as well. And just want to make sure you have enough screws. There's no set distance or whatever for it or anything. And I use pressure treated wood too. Pressure treated. So that it stays, as you guys know, that's weather holds up to weather really good too. So once you get your base down, take your PVC pipe and set it down in that channel and make sure it fits in there nice and snug. And then you want to drill, you're going to be attaching the PVC from the bottom down in here to the wood. In order to do that, you're going to have to drill holes. And so when you drill these holes here, you drill the hole a tiny bit bigger than the head of the screw that's going to go down and hold the PVC to the base of the thing. And those holes, there's nothing to worry about. You slide right over those things after a few slides. So it's not that big of a deal. Just screw it all down, and there you go. This thing's, like I said, I think I said 7 feet long.
And it probably costs about what?
Oh yeah, about 35 bucks.
About 35 bucks,
to do it.
Which might depend where you're at, but
yeah, and it took me
not
like
expensive.
Maybe 1.5 hours, 2 hours to make it, so it's not that. And it's portable too, so it's cool.
Well, you made this months ago, and you just started really using it today.
Yeah, and because Jazz and I, again, we both busted our butts when we first got it on the, working it, and we found a lady on YouTube who was using a wall for practice. And Jazz and I have been using like bike racks, holding on to them so you don't fall, and that's awesome too. But this thing, we really wanted to use it now, since we made it. So we decided to come here to a tennis court and set it up about 1.5 foot away from this chain link fence.
Yeah.
It's working out really well. It's our first time doing this, so I'm gonna try to do a few little practice attempts, stationary, and then I'm going to get a little run and try to get a little front side slide.
Yeah, show me how you jump on it, just at first, jumping on before you're sliding.
Jumping on, you want to get used to jumping with 2 feet at the same time. I've seen several people talk about this. Yeah. Because that's going to give you the most control when you do land on that railing. If you go one at a time, when you put that 1 foot on there, there's a chance that first foot's going to slip out, and that's what we were doing at first. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I busted my butt that way. You want to practice, standing next to it. In my case, I'm standing to my right, and I'm going to jump to my left. If you're Jazz way, she comes this way, you're going to stand with it to your right and jump to your right. Yeah. Okay. So do a couple stationary ones at first. Stand right next to it, bend down, and get up there and stand, and then jump off.
And you can hold on to the fence or the wall or whatever.
This will build up your confidence.
Yeah.
And find your balance point.
Yeah.
So you do a couple of these.
All right.
Right. Bend down.
Bend down. Jump on.
Oh,
Oh, missed it.
See, I had this to hold on to.
So
it's not so bad.
you didn't get hurt. So
Didn't
you're
get hurt.
fine. Let's try it again.
Try it again.
All right. Bend down. Jump on.
Up.
So it's like a little quarter turn on.
Yeah. Quarter turn on. And this
All right.
way, you can't do it. I'll try it. You go.
Yeah, you did it. All right. You can try it both ways. Bend down. Quarter turn on. Jump off. Jump
Right.
on. Jump off. Okay.
So now you'll see. You're gonna get amused here because I'm gonna try some rolling ones
Oh, good.
and see how far I can go without busting my butt.
All
Ready?
right.
Don't laugh at me, Jazz.
Oh, it's all good fun. Yeah. You were on there a while.
Yeah, it was not good.
Okay. Let's see you jump on and jump off. Yeah.
That was not too bad.
That was pretty good.
I'm grabbing, but I'm letting go.
Yeah.
Trying to find that balance point.
Well, this is-
Confidence.
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah, that's good.
I'm not holding my feet wide enough.
Yeah, well, you know. This is really your first day,
I'll try it one more time.
for the most part, that you've really ever put time into it. Yeah. All right.
One more.
All right.
Ready?
Come on. All right.
So those were super fun. It's so fun to slide that whole length.
Yeah.
Then you can try practicing either, coming off of it, either coming back off this way
Yeah.
and traveling, or when you're traveling like this,
Try to 180 out.
180 out, whatever. So many different fun things to do. So
And you can do this like in a lot of different small spaces too.
yes, you can.
You don't have to have a ton of space.
Yeah, and again, it's not so expensive to build these, so
Yeah.
it's so fun. And this is a great way to practice using a wall or a chain link fence or whatever. So fun. It is tiring doing this, so hope you guys get a chance and get out and try this. Or if you have any questions on how it's made, any other questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Just put the comments down below. I hope this video was useful for you guys. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Hope you like it. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you.